Are you a student or a stay at home parent looking to earn extra cash without sacrificing your time or energy? Welcome back to the Digital Guide. We share side hustles, online income, and remote opportunities. If remote work is your goal, subscribe and hit that bell for updates. Here are some of the easiest side hustles you can start today. No degree, no experience, and no big investment needed. First, we have online tutoring. If you're good at school subject, teach it online. Websites like Cambly or Preply let you earn money by helping others learn English or math right from your phone or laptop. Second is social media management. Love scrolling Facebook or Instagram? You can get paid to manage social media pages for small businesses, create posts, reply to comments, and schedule updates. Easy work plus flexible hours. Third, selling digital products. Design printables, planners, or simple templates on Canva and sell them on Etsy. It's a one time effort that keeps earning you passive income. Fourth, content creation. Start sharing what you already do daily, whether it's parenting tips, student hacks, or DIY ideas. Platforms like TikTok and Facebook Reels can actually pay you once you grow your audience. Like what I'm doing. I am a content creator. And in our fifth list, we have freelancing. Offer your skills online, like writing, data entry, or graphic design on sites such as Fiverr or Upwork. You decide your schedule and your price. And that's all. You don't need to work harder, just smarter. Start with one side hustle, stay consistent, and watch your small steps turn into big results. If this is helpful, please like, share, and follow for more side hustle ideas.